Nar Seva, Narayan Seva, service to humanity is service to God. A few years ago, I met a weaver. He wasn't asking for sympathy. He simply showed me his work, beautiful, intricate, and then quietly said, Madam, log dekhte hain par khareedte nahi. That moment stayed with me. It made me realize talent is everywhere, but opportunity is not. And that is where my journey began. In 2020, that one encounter became the seed for Village Heart, a small but sincere effort to preserve our heritage, empower artisans, and most importantly, restore dignity to skilled hands. As my journey evolved, so did my purpose. With Miraki, I created a space not for profit, but for presence, where women entrepreneurs come together, showcase their work, support one another, and grow collectively. Because when women uplift each other, something truly powerful is created. I have also been deeply inspired by the work being done by Vishwa Mangalya Sabha, the way it is nurturing values, strengthening motherhood, and creating a space for meaningful dialogue and sanskar. It is something I truly admire, and I would love to contribute and be associated in any way I can, even if it is quietly behind the scenes. Today, I stand here with immense gratitude. I sincerely thank Vishwa Mangalya Sabha for honoring me with this beautiful Matra Award. This recognition is not just an award, it is a reminder of the responsibility we carry as women, as mothers, as nurturers of values, as silent architects of society. And on this note, I would like to share a thought very close to my heart. अगर माँ जीजाबाई नहीं होती तो शिवाजी महाराज कहाँ से आते और अगर शिवाजी महाराज नहीं होते तो स्वराज का सपना शायद अधूरा रह जाता. Which simply means great mothers create great leaders and great leaders build great nations. So I truly believe great mothers make a great nation. This honor humbles me and at the same time inspires me to do even more with deeper intention and stronger commitment. At the core of everything I do lies one simple belief: choose happiness always. If I can bring even a small smile, if I can create even a small positive impact, that for me is success. None of this would have been possible without my family, my husband, my strongest support system, my son, my biggest cheerleader, my in-laws who have always believed in me, and my mother, my greatest inspiration. And today, as I receive this honor, I dedicate it to every woman who silently nurtures, supports, and builds not just families, but the very foundation of our society. If, through my journey, I have been able to make even one person feel seen, valued, or hopeful, then I truly believe my life is meaningful. Thank you.